subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The ZTE has launched its new mid-range phone under Blade series in the US called Blade X1 with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the ZTE Blade X1 features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate and a tall 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 2TB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the ZTE Blade X1 supports a quad camera setup on the rear and a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 76 by 9.2 millimeters and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The ZTE Blade X1 has been priced in the US at $384 and it is now available for purchase in the country in midnight blue color option. So, what do you guys think of this ZTE Blade X1 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.